mustard leaves. We have wet mustard, but we're going to have real mustard. I've got some arugula here in the garden too. That'll add a nice spice to our burger patty on our amazing sourdough local breads. And I'll even use the arugula flower, which is really hot and peppery. Yum, yum, yum. And why not some lettuce, huh? Did you know we could just take the leaves off the lettuce? We don't have to harvest the whole head, and it'll just keep making more lettuce leaves. Okay, let's go get the mustard. We can use the mustard flowers too. Definitely this mustard is hot, hot, hot. I bet some fresh grated horseradish would add a nice twist too. I've got that too, but we're so hungry. We're just gonna go with the fresh leaves.